Hi, this is Debbie back with Mom's New Life. Today I'm going to talk about a few benefits of using aloe. Aloe contains antioxidant enzymes and vitamin A and C. It's highly anti-inflammatory and can treat burns and acne and dry skin. One of the benefits of aloe for burns, it heals the cut and the burn because of the moisture in the aloe, and it also has a film that will put on the sore to keep it clean. Why should you use aloe vera on your face? Using aloe on your face has benefits because of the anti-inflammatory properties, can reduce swelling and soreness of injuries. It also has collagen to help keep your skin nice and supple. It can speed up healing and limit times of scarring. Can we apply aloe to our face daily? Yes, because of the water in aloe, and it has lots of vitamins and minerals in it, all of which work to keep your skin soft and glowing. That's why you can safely use it every day. There are plenty of ways to use aloe both topically and internally. It heals burns, it clears acne topically. It heals burns due to its soothing, moisturizing, and cooling properties. Aloe is often used on burns, sunburns, and stove burns, and also major big burns. The acne, because of its drying effect, and the moisture, it will go down into your skin and pull out the infection like the blackhead or the white pimples or whatever and heal that up. It relieves anal fissures and will make you not itch as much. Is aloe good for hair? The ingredients that can help strengthen your hair is the vitamin A, B12, C, and vitamin E. These keep the hair follicles healthy, and also aloe will help calm down your greasy hair. Does aloe vera make skin glow? The reason aloe vera makes your skin glow is because it removes dead skin cells and moisturizes your skin. Evidence shows that aloe vera promotes the elasticity of skin, making the skin glow and naturally supple. How many times can you use aloe on your face in one day? You can use it up to 3 times a day. It helps heal the wounds, minimize scarring by boosting collagen and fighting bacteria. One of the reasons for scarring is bacteria gets in and then your skin can't heal. Is it okay to leave aloe on your hair overnight? Yes, you can leave it on your hair overnight and apply fresh aloe in your hair before going to bed and washing off in the morning for healthy hair. So the benefits of aloe, it's good for burns, reduces arthritic swelling when you put it on the outside of your skin, heals your face, makes your face soft and takes dead skin cells off. It has 80% water to keep your skin glowing, and putting it on topically will act like a band-aid and keep bacteria out of it. Used on your hair, has many vitamins and minerals, controls grease. It's good for pimples. It goes down into your skin and takes the infection out, and removes dead skins to keep it glowing. And you may use it up to 3 times a day. So aloe is very healing for you, and I will also put in the cards another video that talks about aloe. Now remember, I'm praying for you, and have a wonderful day.